Facial hair is a problem for women of all ages, and removing it hurts. Until now, introducing Flawless, the new gold standard in facial hair removal from Finishing Touch, the world's #1 brand.
The voice which we heard in the beginning of the video, we have heard it many a times. So in this video, today we will be knowing all about Flawless facial hair removal. Now let's quickly move into the video and directly talk about what is the feature for this tool, how to use it, from where you can buy this and the costing, and also whether it is effective or not. So now talking about the feature part, it actually looks like a lipstick, but it is not a lipstick. This is a tool which we use for exactly to remove a facial hair. Now here, how to use it? Now simply what you have to do is, the way you open your normal lipstick, you have to open this tool also. And when you have to switch it on, there is a button which you can see which has a gold plate to it, and you will have to just simply press it up, and then it has on top of it, it has a gold plates to it. The moment you will press it on, there will be a blue light to it, and then your tool will be on. And then after that, what you have to do is simply just gently, you have to, in a circular motion, you have to use this tool at that particular area from where you want to remove the hair from. So it could be your chin area, your mouth area, and then your cheek area. And once you're done, what you have to do is, you can also clean this up. You will just have to open the upper side of the tool, and then the small hairs which will be there, you can clean those with the help of brush. That's all. Now talking about from where you can buy this tool, it is available easily on any of the online websites, from Amazon, Flipkart, anywhere you can buy it from, and it is really affordable price that you can buy in. Now, so talking about battery part, what you have to do is, you will have to change your battery also once it is finished. So for that, you will have to just remove the below part of the tool, and then there is a battery to it. Remove that battery and fix the new one, and you can again use it. Now let's see quickly whether it is effective or not. And for that, I am using my hands here, and I'm showing you whether it works or really not. And when I really did it, I could see that my tiny hairs which I have on my hands, it is getting removed without any pain to it. Likewise, you have to use in a similar way. This is on your face, and while doing that, you have to be very gentle. Do not press it so hard, otherwise it will not give the results. So yes, we have spoken all really important and possible points related to this tool. Now talking about my final review to this particular tool. It is actually really good when it comes to a go-to moment, and you can quickly grab this tool and use this as per your convenience at any given point of time. And also it is portable, you can carry in your bag anywhere. And also specifically when we talk about your chin hair removal, your mouth area hair removal, and also your cheek part, it is really good tool to use for. It has really good feature to it, because of which you do not feel any pain while removing your hair on your face, or also it does not have any irritations to it, and also it does not have any side effects. So yes, just one thing to be careful about, that this is really when you will try to do your eyebrows with this, it will not be that sharp or good. So yes, I would suggest that this is really not helpful for your eyebrows, but yes, for rest of the face, it is a great tool to go for and to invest in.